Hi everyone. So I'm starting from Bangalore and going to Hyderabad. Today I will do a range test, but that range test will be when I'm driving the car in economy mode but above 100 km per hour. Normally I'll not be able to drive it above 100 km per hour all the time, but most of the time I'll drive it above 100 km per hour. Let's see how much range the car will give with that. Stay tuned. Okay, the charge is 99%. I'm putting trip A to 0. Okay, let's see how much range. I'll drive the car above 100 km per hour. Hi, so we have stopped here for a little bit of coffee break. We have driven almost about 170 kilometers in roughly 52% charge. So I'll show you how much the range. So when I'm driving at around 110, 120 km per hour, and sometimes when there is traffic I go down to 90, 95 km per hour. But in short, I was not driving with a sense that I have to take out a lot of range out of the car. Right? The driving was with a sense of getting a lot of speed, right? But I put it in economy mode, so it was not accelerating very fast, but I was driving fast, right? If you accelerate very fast, the range will still drop further. But the driving, you don't need to accelerate very fast as such, right? So if you want to go fast, you can slowly accelerate in economy mode, go fast, maintain a speed of 110, 115 like that, and yet you can get some decent mileage. I'll show you how much mileage is it coming. Here, 51% battery remaining, and we have covered 125.9 kilometers. And we started at 99%. We started at 99% status of charge. So roughly 350, 360 is what I'm getting as an average. But let's see, I'll continue with this. I'm not charging. Let's see how much I'm getting in total actually, because normally after 20%, after 80% consumption of battery, the range increases a bit. So let's see how much it is coming. So what I will charge another 150 kilometers from here. So by that time, let's see how much is the actual charge which is coming. Now we have reached Lipakshi restaurant. This is where we will do our charging. It is around 277 km from the place where we charged before this. And like I said, I was driving at around 100 km, over 100 km most of the time, unless I get traffic. So let's see how much range did I exactly get. This is the charging place. I have not yet started charging. I'll show you the range and after that I'll start charging. Wait. See, we covered 282 kilometers and another 82 kilometer range is left, 22% charge remaining. So normally last 20% I get almost 110 kilometers. Even if it is showing 82 kilometers, I would end up getting around 100 kilometers. So 382 kilometer of range if we are driving above 100, 110. Most of the time you will see in my video also, I am only slowing down when there is a traffic. I was driving at 100, 110 km per. Okay, so that's the conclusion. So around 350, 360 km of range. It can go up to 380 km of range if you are going a little bit downhill area, like from Bangalore to any place outside Bangalore, because Bangalore is normally at a little bit higher altitude. So there you will get 380 km, otherwise 350, 360 very easily you will get, even if you are not bothering about range and you are driving the way you would drive any other diesel or petrol car at 100, 110 normal speeds, within the speed limits of what is allowed in Indian roads. If you are driving it that way, occasionally you can go to 120 km per hour wherever the road permits it. You will get 350 to 360 km of range very easily in this car, and with full luggage, with people, everything, and with AC at 22 degrees. So that's what it is. It's a very cool, I mean, I think 360 km is good enough for me. I don't have to worry about range at all. And my driving conditions are normally favoring higher range. I drive with a very light pedal and all. So if I drive the way I drive, then I will easily get 450 kilometers in a downhill. Like if I go from Bangalore to some other place where I'm going down the altitude. If I'm going up the altitude or I have some hilly area, then I will get 410, 415 kilometers very easily. So that's what BYD Atto 3 will give you with full luggage, full load of people, 5 people, and then 22 degrees AC constantly running. I don't close the AC. AC, mind it, AC also was at comfort. So you can change the AC setting to economy. Then you will compromise a little bit on your comfort. Normally what happens when you change it to economy, the moment AC temperature reaches the temperature which is set in your, like if I've set it for 22 degree, the moment it reaches 22 degree, AC will cut off. The compressor will cut off. So you'll find a little bit of discomfort there till it becomes 23, 24 degree, and then again it will pick up. And somewhere where you're going uphill, it will cut off. So that's how it optimizes, right, for range. If you put that range or economy mode in AC, you will easily get around 380, 390 kilometer if you're driving fast. Normally in my kind of driving, you will get 450 plus easily. And I've done that when I'm going from Bangalore to Hyderabad. Thank you. Okay, so now Toshu will do the charging. So after doing a long drive up to 75 kilometers, we are putting it for charge, auto charging, and it's a 240 kilowatt hour charger, and our car will take 89 kilowatt. This is the car, all set for charging, full load and everything. Charging is starting. Preparing. Okay, so now the charging has started. So it will charge. Thank you.